I'm Kathy Kerr, pianist, educator, owner of Melody Music Studios, and now author and founder of Melody Music Publishers. As I taught over the years, I noticed how students learn. I found that playing the piano is difficult for most beginners and requires drills and repetition. Since most method books don't offer that, students would often get frustrated and quit. I knew they needed an easy-to-follow, step-by-step approach with plenty of repetition to master each concept. Then a brilliant idea came to me. What if one book included everything a student needed, from note reading worksheets, rhythm drills, exercises, scales, and enough songs in each hand position for a student to sight read? So my journey began to write my signature series called Drill and Excel on the Piano. Here's what's not taught in the Drill and Excel on the Piano series. Reading notes by acronyms like Every Good Boy Does Fine, which doesn't show the logic of the staff or create the sight reading skill. Middle C hand position, where a student awkwardly plays both thumbs on middle C. Who plays like that? And makes a young student count backward in the alphabet with the left hand. Switching hand positions too soon and progressing too quickly. Showing only the value of each note without showing rhythm drills. And familiar songs a student can play by ear instead of reading. Here's how Drill and Excel on the Piano books are different. Each book in the series is well over 100 pages, lasting a year or more. There are 3 chapters in each book. Each chapter starts with what you need to know, outlining the information needed. Each chapter has 7 parts. Written worksheets for note reading in books 1 and 2. Notes are taught in order on the staff to show the logic of counting line space alphabetically. Interval worksheets in books 2 and 3 to quickly identify intervals at sight, which help in sight reading. And triad and chords in books 3 and 4. Rhythm is the most neglected part in most method books. Practicing rhythm drills without notation allows a student to focus on the rhythm, counting beat numbers and how they each have a unique feel, and keeping a steady beat is emphasized. Using a metronome is recommended. When rhythm is taught early in a student's education, they will learn to read it correctly automatically when reading notes and rhythm together. Exercises are an important part of a beginner's piano education. Since reading music can make playing slow, exercises give the student a chance to focus on technique and skill. Each chapter gives one scale in the key that goes along with the songs, except for chapters 1 in books 2, 3, and 4 that recap the scales from the previous books. Special exercises are unique to the Drill and Excel on the Piano series. These are specific skills needed. For example, Book 1, Chapter 3 includes an exercise on how to play staccato. It also has what I call independence of hands, teaching a student to play loud in one hand and soft in the other hand, or staccato and legato in each hand. The 20 original songs is the most important part of this series. Most method books brag about having familiar songs for the student to play. The problem is a student can play by ear instead of reading the notes. In the Drill and Excel on the Piano book series, all songs are original, ensuring the student is reading every note in rhythm, and each song is specifically written for that chapter's information and skills taught. And my favorite part is the Write Your Own Song. Book 1 is for the beginner student that has had no previous experience. It starts with hands separate in the C position for the first 2 chapters, then hands together in chapter 3. Book 2 is great for the late beginner, someone that has had a little training or has learned on their own. In Book 2, Chapter 1 is a recap of Book 1 and starts in the C position, hands together. Chapter 2 is in the G position, and Chapter 3 is in the D position. Starting with this chapter, the songs begin to expand slightly outside the 5-note hand position. This is done incrementally and gets more difficult as the chapter progresses. Book 3 is for the early intermediate student. As in Book 2, Chapter 1 is a recap of Books 1 and 2, so nothing is missed in the information needed from the previous books. Chapter 2 is in the key of A and Chapter 3 in the key of F. Songs in these chapters and going forward are no longer in a hand position. And finally, Book 4 is for the late intermediate student. Again, Chapter 1 is a recap of Books 1 to 3. Chapter 2 is in the key of B flat and Chapter 3 in E flat. And Book 5 for the advanced student will be coming out in 2022.